Cannabidiol, commonly known as CBD, is a non-psychoactive compound derived from the hemp plant, which has gained increasing popularity in recent years due to its perceived potential therapeutic benefits. CBD oil, in particular, is a form of concentrated CBD extract that is mixed with a carrier oil, such as coconut or hemp seed oil, to facilitate ingestion or application. While CBD is generally considered safe, there are still safety concerns and potential side effects associated with its use that should be taken into consideration. In this article, we will explore these safety concerns and potential side effects of using CBD oil. Safety concerns. Drug interactions. CBD has been found to interact with some medications, which can lead to adverse effects. CBD is metabolized by the same enzymes in the liver as many prescription and over-the-counter medications. This means that it can inhibit or enhance the activity of these enzymes, potentially leading to changes in the way the body metabolizes these drugs. For example, CBD has been found to increase the levels of certain blood-thinning medications like warfarin and heparin, which can increase the risk of bleeding. Similarly, it has been found to increase the levels of certain antidepressants, such as fluoxetine, Prozac, and paroxetine, Paxil, leading to increased side effects. Therefore, it is recommended that individuals who are taking any medication consult with their healthcare provider before using CBD oil to avoid any potential drug interactions. Quality control. One of the concerns with CBD oil is the lack of quality control in the production process. CBD oil is not regulated by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, which means that there are no standards for purity, potency, or safety. As a result, consumers cannot be certain about the quality and consistency of the product they are purchasing. To ensure the safety of the product, consumers should look for CBD oil products that have been third-party tested by a reputable laboratory to confirm the purity and potency of the product. They should also check for a certificate of analysis, COA, which provides information about the product's contents. Side effects. While CBD oil is generally considered safe, it can cause some side effects in certain individuals. The most common side effects include fatigue. CBD oil can cause drowsiness and fatigue, especially at high doses. Therefore, it is recommended that individuals avoid driving or operating heavy machinery while using CBD oil. Dry mouth. CBD oil can reduce the production of saliva, leading to a dry mouth. Diarrhea. Some individuals may experience diarrhea as a result of using CBD oil. Lack of long-term studies. CBD oil has not been extensively studied over the long term. Most studies have focused on short-term use, and the long-term effects of CBD oil use are not well understood. Therefore, it is important to be cautious when using CBD oil over an extended period, especially at high doses. Potential side effects. Psychiatric effects. While CBD is not psychoactive, it has been found to have some effects on the brain, which may lead to changes in mood and behavior. Some individuals have reported feeling anxious, irritable, or agitated after using CBD oil. These effects may be more common in individuals with a history of mental health disorders. Liver damage. There have been some reports of liver damage in individuals who have used CBD oil. In one study, participants who took high doses of CBD oil experienced elevated liver enzymes, which can be a sign of liver damage. However, it is important to note that these cases were associated with the use of high doses of CBD oil, and the risk of liver damage is generally considered to be low in individuals who use CBD oil at recommended doses. Respiratory issues. There have been concerns raised about the potential respiratory issues associated with using CBD oil, particularly when it is inhaled through vaporization or smoking. While CBD oil is generally considered safe for oral consumption, inhaling CBD oil can cause irritation to the lungs and airways, which may lead to respiratory issues. When CBD oil is vaporized, it is heated to high temperatures, which can cause the oil to break down into harmful chemicals, such as formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, that can irritate the lungs and airways. Inhaling these chemicals can cause respiratory issues such as coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and bronchitis. Similarly, smoking CBD oil can also be harmful to the lungs and airways, as smoking any substance can expose the lungs to harmful chemicals and toxins. Smoking CBD oil can lead to respiratory issues such as chronic bronchitis, lung inflammation, and lung damage. To avoid potential respiratory issues, it is recommended that individuals who use CBD oil avoid inhaling it through vaporization or smoking. Instead, they should consider using oral forms of CBD, such as tinctures or capsules, which are absorbed through the digestive system and do not involve inhaling any harmful chemicals or toxins.